And welcome back to our channel, The Running Bulls. Let's see how can market unfolds on Monday, the trading view and the trading setup. So let's start with the Nifty having a good support around 17,470 mark to the range of 17,600 mark. But what we are going to expect, the market going to unfold on a downside. As we can observe, there is a jitter in the global trend, and due to the uncertainty, the market doesn't like the uncertainty, and hence the market is going to be a opening a down opening as a gap down. So first of all, today I'm going to start a new thing, open interest. So open interest, I'm soon be coming up with the open interest video. But first of all, let's see. So 18,000 is having a huge open interest call writing, that is amongst the call side 18,000 mark. The PCR is showing a oversold market, but the market can move downwards even if the market is oversold. So what gonna happen? 17,500. The put writing is good, so there will be a good support at the 17,500 mark. But if we see the market, is it going to open in 17,500? Yes. There can be a short covering possibility, definitely. So there will be a short covering possibility at the market. How to trade the Nifty? The big questions. So, in my opinion, there is a huge support at 17,200 and between the 17,300 mark. If the market opens anything above this, there will be a huge short covering, or it can fall also. So, what's my opinion? Avoid the Nifty trade. Let's see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty made a huge all-time high around the 42,000 mark. Then started coming, falling, and given a rally of 3,000 points around the level of 38,700 mark. So what was the due? The due was the correction. So it's a correction that was long pending, and it is happening now. So do we have to worry about it? No, surely not. And it has made a good W pattern, and the correction was pending, due correction, and the correction is happening. So what we can do? We can wait for the level of 37,000 mark. 37,000 is about here. So this will be a good, it should act a good support also. So if the market opening anything above it, we should wait. Second thing, what we can do, there is a we can wait for the lower end of the daily candle of the last week, of the last trading session. So lower, as you can see here, 37,224. If this break, the market can go further down till the level of 37,000. So you have to wait and watch. Let's see the market in 15-minute charts. So in 15-minute charts, as I've already told, there's a huge support around the 37,000 mark. So if the market opens in this range, you can probably look for opportunities to buy, not to sell. But if it is breaking the 37,000, let's say 37,000 mark, you can probably look for a target of 37,700. Let's see the open interest. Open interest, huge call writing around the 37,500 mark. So definitely it will be a tough nut to crack. But there is a good support around 37,600, 36,800, and 37,100 and 37,300. So these are the possibilities. So let's see the historical data. Huge open interest around the 37,000 mark. There is a huge call put writing. So 37,000 downside will be a tough nut to crack. PCR is again oversold, probably we can see, but there is a higher possibility as the global sell-off is going on. So market can go further downside. How to trade? We'll avoid the bearish view. That is, we'll not going to sit in a put position, or we're not going to sell a call option. What we can do, if the market opens around 36,000, 37,000, anything near that, we can probably sell a 36,000 PE and buy a two lots of 33,000 PE. So the risk reward will be a 1 is to 1. We can plan for 1 is to 1. So we can trade, we can put a stop loss of 20 rupees and we can trade in this position. I'm not a SEBI registered guy, so please consult your financial advisor before taking any position. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment down below. Thank you and have a nice day.